UST looking for Jello Alolino on the move. Abatayo sees an open lane and he goes in for two.
What a move. What an athletic finish there. Changing hands in midair against Ed Dakiwag. Walang takot. Pumasok doon.
Good move by Nico Abatayo. The lead. Ferrer to Sheriff on the right side. Back to Ferrer. As we hit the Avida halfway point of the quarter. Be inspired to win big with Avida's halfway point of the quarter.
That week in terms of production.
Alejandro for three. Yes, sir!
Out after the Roga.
Apis.
Yun eh.
Alejandro fires again. Yes, sir! Alejandro. Reminds me of that Lady Gaga song. Rallying Tigers. Vigil to Marvin Lee for three. Yes, sir!
And USC badly needed that. Before that shot, they only had 3 points off their bench so far. That's
side. And Abatayo,
good
gutsy
drive.
move.
Good decision to drive there without Kareem Abdul in the paint because he was way out in the perimeter. Double teaming Aroga. Walang shot blocker. Ferrer and Dakiwag, and I think really their defense is something that's been an understatement that hasn't been talked about much.
I think more people are focused on their big three. Dakiwag's offense.
Exactly, how Dakiwag is playing like such like a man, and it's because of how started with flying colors, but you know, good enough so far, you know, with the 7-point lead. But they gotta brace themselves. They gotta brace themselves here. First time really to face any kind of adversity so far. Na ganung moment na they're down and not playing. They don't have a good start. Di pa nakakatikip ng talo itong UST, so those moments will come this season, and they'll have to only shooting 34%, 11 turnovers. It's not quality basketball right now. They're in this game, but it doesn't feel like you're playing as a #1 team. It doesn't feel that you don't have that vibe on the court right now.
Ferrer from the corner for three.
That's the problem with defensively for NU when you're going against a small ball lineup of NU of a UST. Who's going to guard? Ferrer or Lau?
UST ahead.
Absolutely huge contribution by Kevin Ferrer. And you know, more than
Be inspired to win big with Avida's halfway point of the quarter. Abdul open connects. Minutes left in the fourth. Diputado baseline side step.
Nice move. Great move to cut and weave through the defense there. It's only a 5-point game. No matter how great that run was for UST Nico, and you had a good cushion.
7 to shoot. Where's Alolino going? Pass inside.
What a pass! They were aggressively double teaming Alolino off the pick and roll, making it hard for him to make that pick and roll pass, but he knew it was coming. He had to loop it over and found Aroga.
He is bankable assist.
They switched it this time. Oh,
look, a turnover. Dakiwag with the steal. Dakiwag all the way.
You can see that Mama layup coming all the way. I'm going to take it all the way.
Here's our Jello Alolino against Kevin Ferrer. Aroga against Abdul. Outside, Alolino. Shot clock reach 14. Back to Aroga against Abdul. Aroga, big shot here. Oh! Looping shot from the corner. And the lead is back to the Bulldogs.
Remember I said early in the game, that's a shot you give him all day long? The 17-foot fadeaway. They gave it to him, but he drained it.
In a gut-wrenching game.
Yeah.
Gut-wrenching game. All right, we'll be back to explain what happened today after these.